Okay, in this video, we're going to solve two problems on finding the coordinates of the vertex, focus, equation of the directrix, axis of symmetry, and endpoints of the latus rectum of a parabola whose vertex is at the origin. So let's start with the first one. We have y squared equals 12x. So first, we have to identify the opening. So as you can see, y squared equals 12x follows the standard equation y squared equals 4px. So this means that the opening of the parabola is to the right. Okay? So it opens to the right. Then, the vertex of the parabola is located at the origin. That's given. So the vertex is at the origin. So to solve for the other parts of the parabola, you have to first find the value of p. So as you can see, the coefficient of x is 12. So that is the value of 4p. 4p equals 12. Also, yung 4p natin na 12 dyan is the length of the latus rectum. So we solve 4p, divide both sides by 4. So cancel this. Therefore, ang p natin is 12 divided by 4, 3. Okay? So may p na tayo, pwede nating ma-identify yung coordinates ng mga points, then yung line. I-plot natin first yung vertex. Okay? So ito yung ating vertex. Then since it opens to the right, magka-count ka lang ng 3 units to the right from the vertex para makuha mo yung point or yung coordinates ng focus. Okay? So vertex, so 1, 2, 3. Itong point na to, yan yung ating focus. Then yun namang directrix, opposite naman. So ang movement mo naman from the vertex ay to the left. 3 units din lang. So vertex, so 1, 2, 3. So ito yun, yung negative 3. So i-draw lang natin yung line. So pasensya na kung hindi straight yung ating line. Okay. Ay, sorry. Okay, so yan yung ating directrix. So that is negative 3. Then, yun namang latus rectum. So alam natin na ang length ng latus rectum ay 12. So i-divide mo lang siya by 2. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So from the focus, magkakount ka lang ng 6 units pataas and 6 units pababa. Okay? So focus, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yan yung ating isang endpoint ng latus rectum. I-label lang natin as L. Then, pababa naman 6 units din. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, i-label natin as R. So, labeling lang yon. Kung gusto mong P sub 1, P sub 2, A, B, okay lang yon. Ginamit ko lang is L and R to denote latus rectum. Okay, then you connect the points. Okay. So, yan. So, yan yung ating parabola. So, ganyan lang siya. So, ano yung ating focus? So, by looking at the graph, the point has coordinates here. Positive 3, then ang y ay 0. Then, ano naman equation ng directrix? So, nasa left side siya. So, negative yung x dyan. So, x equals negative 3 naman. Tandaan lang, kapag vertical ang directrix, that is x equals. Pero kapag horizontal, that is y equals. Then, ano naman yung ating axis of symmetry? So, ano yung line na nagdi-divide sa parabola into two equal parts? So, makikita nyo, yan ay yung x-axis. Ito yan, oh. Dinidivide niya into parabola into two parts na equal. Okay, so ngayon, anong equation ba ng x-axis? That is y equals 0. Tatandaan lang, kapag y-axis, x equals 0. Pero kapag x-axis, ang equation niya, y equals 0. Then, ano naman yung mga endpoints ng latus rectum? So, yun yung L and R natin. So, anong coordinates ng L? That is, ang x mo hindi magbabago, 3 pa rin, pero tumaas siya ng 6 units. So, 3, 6. yung baba naman, 3 pa rin ang x, pero negative naman yung y, which is negative 6. Okay? So, ganyan lang mag-graph and mag-identify ng properties. So, the focus is located at this point, 3, 0. Directrix is x negative 3. Axis of symmetry is y equals 0. Then, the latus rectum endpoints are this one. 3, positive 6. Then, 3, negative 6. Next one, we have x squared equals negative 8y. Paano naman yan? So, makikita nyo, ang equation niya, it follows x squared equals negative 4py. Ay di ba kapag x squared equals negative 4py, ang opening ng parabola ay downward. So, ang vertex pa rin natin is at the origin. So, 0, 0 pa rin. So, anong 4p natin? So, ang 4p nyo, yung coefficient ng y, positive lang. So, that is 8. So, yung 8 length ng latus rectum. So, solve 4p, divide both sides by 4, cancel, therefore, p equals 8 over 4, 2. O, yan yung p mo. So, i-plot natin yung vertex sa origin. So, ito yon. Yan yung vertex. Then, opens downward, count ka lang ng 2 units pababa para sa focus. So, 1, 2. Ito yung ating focus. Yung directrix naman, tataas ka ng 2 units from the vertex. That is 1, 2. So, dito yon. Okay, so yan yung ating directrix naman. Then, yung ating latus rectum. So, ang length ng latus rectum ay 8. I-divide mo by 2. So, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So, from the focus, count ka naman ng 4 units para left and para right naman. Kasi nga, downward yung opening. So, focus. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung isang point. Let's say L. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito yung R. So, ayan na yung ating parabola. I-connect mo lang yung points. Ganyan lang. Okay, so yan na siya. So, ano yung ating focus ulit? By looking at the graph, so the focus is at 0, negative 2. So, ano yung directrix? So, ang directrix naman, since horizontal yung line, that is y equals 1, 2. So, 2. So, ano yung axis of symmetry? It's a line that divides a parabola into 2 equal parts. That is the y-axis. Itong line na yan. So, ano equation again ng y-axis? X equals 0 naman. Then, ano yung endpoints ng latus rectum? So, itong point na to, anong point yan? That is negative 4. Then, ang y mo ay negative 2. Yung nasa kabilang side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, positive 4 naman yung x. Then, yung y mo, negative 2 din lang. So, ganyan lang mag-identify ng mga parts or properties ng parabola kapag ang vertex nasa origin.